Hello, everyone, and welcome to SacHacks 2021, our third annual 36-hour hackathon. As you may know, this year we are going virtual, and we'll have the hackathon from Feb 19th to the 21st. We are really excited to see where everyone's hackathon projects, interactions, and experience take them during this upcoming 36 hours. And for those of you who may be wondering, what is SacHacks? So SacHacks itself is the first intercollegiate hackathon in the Sacramento, California area where it first began. And our passion then grew and became something larger as we wanted to cultivate the untapped potential of those in Sacramento and beyond by launching their ideas into action with our 36-hour hackathon.
And for those of you that are unsure of what a hackathon is, essentially what you'll be doing is designing the project of your dreams, coding and learning something new, and really launching your innovative ideas and taking them to the next level. But don't forget that you guys will be working with teams to accomplish all these objectives. So as of right now, it is 6:02 and we are currently in the opening ceremony where we will be talking more about our amazing sponsors. We will get in more details about what you guys will be doing. But next, will be followed by a hands-on workshop with our co-host IBM, where they'll be walking you through really how to scale your projects and improve them, and really just be showing you the ropes of how to improve from the hackathon perspective. And after that is when the fun begins, is when the hackathon starts, and that's when you guys will be meeting up with your teams and really working on your projects. But please don't forget to post on socials your progress as a team. And really, if you have any questions, just go to sachacks.io/schedule.
And throughout our events, in addition to the hacking, we'll also have social events and games. So don't miss out on MLH's mini event, Microsoft Paint Bob Ross. We'll have a design together with design buddies on Saturday, and we'll have multiple gaming sessions throughout each night. So don't miss out on that, and take a break and join our fun activities. And in addition to our fun activities, we also provide you with a hacker guide at SacHacks.io/guide. And in this hacker guide, we'll have various sponsor resources and starter packs to get you started on your hacks.
So now we will be talking about our social media raffles. So essentially, we're going to be having everything through Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. So please be sure to keep an eye out, follow us, and tag us and hashtag SacHacks2021. And for what we will be giving out is 10 $10 Amazon gift cards, 1 Sublime text license key, and 4 Sublime text license keys to the teams with the best picture. So please, everyone, stay tuned for more prizes, raffles, and keep an eye out for everything on our socials. Next, we'll be talking about our tracks, challenges, and prizes. So for design, there will be prizes for the teams that perform in the top 3 for best design with no code. But for our best design with a sketch, there will only be 1 winner.
And for our coding tracks, challenges, and prizes, we'll be having the best IBM Z hack. And this will include, along with a really great mic set, as well as speaker and drone, each for the respective first, second, and third place sections. IBM will also be offering each of those first, second, third place winners a 3-month extension of their ML on Z instance, giving an opportunity to realize your vision and solution. And also the overall first place winner for this track will also get a Linux One server with 8 CPUs, 16 GB of memory, along with 300 GB disk. And you can also choose either the RHEL 8.3 or Ubuntu 20.04 to work with. And these are really exclusive technologies that you can work with for 6 months. And so it's a really great kind of prize and opportunity. And we'll also be having the best data science hack, the best game dev, and this is going to be, again, 3 different first, second, and third places. Best use of Google Cloud, and we're going to have a best top 2 for the best hardware.
And for our launch categories, we'll award a prize to the best startup idea, and we'll also award prizes to the best 3 SAC hacks. And to qualify for the best SAC hack, you would have to create something that addresses a problem in the Sacramento community. And more details can be found in our hacker guide on what that means. And we'll also award prizes to the best interdisciplinary hack, which requires at least 1 person on your team who is not a computer science related major. And In addition to that, we'll award prizes to the best community college hack, which requires at least one person on your team who attends a community college. And finally, but not last, we will award a prize to the best domain created using domain.com. And you can find all of these prizes and tracks and challenges on our hacker guide, as well as our dev posts. So don't forget to check out SacHacks.io/guide for more details.
Now, for judging and submission requirements, there are some core rules you want to keep track of. The first one being that the team sizes should be no more than 4 people maximum, and so it could be anywhere within the range of 1 to 4 people. You must include code design files as well as a recorded video. We strongly recommend using something like GitHub to make this happen. And your recorded demo video must be no more than 5 minutes. And please submit your project on DevPost by the earliest of 7 a.m. PST. And also a giant welcome or thank you to our sponsors and partners. More specifically, we want to thank IBM, our co-host, for just being able to help us make this happen. And along with IBM, we are also doing an exclusive raffle where the top 3 winners will be randomly chosen for 3 months, 3 instances of 3 months of mentorship, which will each be 3 hours with IBM Z industry experts. And also want to give a quick shout out to Design Buddies, MLH, HyperX, Adobe, XD, 8VC, DigitalOcean, and Citrus for being additional amazing sponsors and partners.
So now a quick word from DigitalOcean, one of our sponsors. DigitalOcean offers a scalable compute platform with add-on storage, security, and monitoring capabilities. So they offer seamless management of infrastructure, which includes droplets, managed databases, spaces, one-click apps, block storage, load balancers, and so much more. And DigitalOcean has 12 data centers in across 8 global markets, so you can be sure that your data will be safe. And why do customers love DigitalOcean? Well, it is simple. There's a strong community. They provide great service, and they have open source advantages. So don't forget to try DigitalOcean now by scanning this QR code for a $100 60-day free trial. And you can also check out the link on our hacker guide, which should have all of this DigitalOcean information for your convenience. So don't forget to hack away and have fun by staying updated on our announcements channel on Discord and staying connected on the Hopin platform. And now we're going to have a quick word from our sponsor, MLH.
Hello everyone, I am Danielle, a coach at Major League Hacking. In my free time, you can catch me making YouTube videos or helping hackers just like you. You can connect with me and Major League Hacking on social media using the ads in the bottom left corner of the slide. I'm going to throw a lot of information at you, but do not worry, everything I'm going to be talking about will be available at hack.mlh.io and in the Ask MLH channel and the SacHacks Discord. So you may be asking, what is Major League Hacking? Well, we are the global hacker community here to empower hackers not just in North America, but also in the EU and APAC regions. We help a community of about 135,000 hackers just like you. You are giving back to this community as well, just by being here. By attending Major League Hacking events like this one, you are earning points for your school in our season-long contests and rankings. If you want to earn more points, make sure you tell your friends and get them involved in these events as well. Speaking of point-earning events, MLH will be hosting Local Hack Day Share on March 28th to April 5th. Spend the week completing challenges, both big and small. You'll expand your network, skill set, hack your portfolio, and earn yourself rewards. So what am I doing at SacHacks this weekend? Along with helping you all have a great experience, I'll be hosting 3 events. First, I'll be hosting the U.S. Air Force Cybersecurity Challenge, so make sure you come out for a chance to win one of 3 raffle prizes. After that, we'll be having a Bob Ross paint night. After a long day of hacking, you're going to want to join us with a relaxing hour of Microsoft Paint painting. But that's not all. I'll be hosting slideshow karaoke. Come practice your demoing skills with a goofy twist. All MLH event attendees will receive a 2021 Ellie the Elephant Season Maths presented by Capital One. Make sure you keep an eye out for an announcement from me on Discord after the ceremony. Let's not forget my favorite contest, the GitHub Draw an Octocat competition. Just doodle a little Octocat, then tweet at GitHub and MLH using those hashtags at the bottom of the slide to enter. Winner will get a Mona the Octocat statue, and that's not all GitHub is bringing. They are also providing the GitHub Student Developer Pack. This is a great resource for students and new hackers and includes thousands of dollars worth of professional-grade free tools. And the resources are just going to keep coming, so make sure you check out hack.mlh.io for a complete list of what MLH has to offer. If you're interested in the domain.com prize, you can register for a free domain ending in .tech, .space, or .online by using the code MLHFeb2021. Next up, Google Cloud is offering up to $100 in Google Cloud credits. Each time you go to a hackathon, you get even more credits. So if you have already gotten your Google Cloud credits at a previous event, make sure you message me on Discord for a refill. Google Cloud is hosting a Best Use of Google Cloud award, so you're going to want to cash in on these credits. COVID-19 related projects will have a chance to win $5,000 in Google Cloud credits for further development. DigiKey is sponsoring the Best Hardware Hack Prize category. We will be picking not one, but 2 winning teams, and each team member will win a Grove Beginner Kit with an embedded Arduino compatible board. Hardware emulators as well as physical hardware will be eligible to win. Even if you haven't worked with hardware before, you should definitely give this a try. Finally, make sure you check out these hackathon starter kits, including the GitHub Student Developer Pack. You can find these starter kits using the link on the bottom right. As a recap, Major League Hacking is bringing these 4 sponsor categories to the event this weekend. Make sure you check them out. Everyone who submits this weekend will get an iDemoed sticker, so make sure you submit whatever you have so you don't miss out on this one. Also, check out the MLH Career Lab as well. These 3 partners are looking to hire hackers just like you. Now, on a more serious note, Major League Hacking hackathons are a safe space for everyone. By being at this event, everyone, including sponsors, mentors, and organizers, are agreeing to the code of conduct, so make sure you give this a read if you haven't already. Please be respectful to each other because harassment and abuse will not be tolerated. At digital events, it is important to remember there's a person behind the other side of the screen, so be mindful of connecting with people's online and social profiles without their permission. Just because someone doesn't reply immediately does not mean they're ignoring you, so give everyone time to answer your questions and messages. If you're having an issue, you can always reach out to an organizer or myself. We want you to have an amazing time. If you have a hard time reaching someone, you can use the phone number or email that is on this slide. Thank you again to all of our partners. None of this would be possible without their support. And that's all. Happy hacking, everyone.
And once again, I wanted to give a great and big shout out to all of our sponsors and partners, especially our co-hosts, IBM. And shortly after, we're going to have an IBM keynote, so join us for an intro to enterprise computing and learn the open source nature of the platform and get a look into AI and machine learning on Z. We'll see you soon at 6:15 p.m. in a couple minutes.